Big changes are arriving at Spotify Camp Nou, and the matchday experience could soon feel very different. New VIP hospitality areas are preparing to open. A brand new supporter section is being created, and thousands of additional fans may soon return to the stadium. These developments are part of Phase 1C of the Camp Nou redevelopment, another key step in the revival of the historic home of FC Barcelona. Recently approved by the Barcelona City Council, this phase will allow several important areas of the stadium to begin operating as the transformation of Camp Nou continues. This new stage allows the club to begin using several areas inside Spotify Camp Nou. One key update is the introduction of hospitality zones and VIP lounges between the first and second tiers. Among the spaces being prepared are the pitch club and the main hub in the grandstand. Another hospitality space, the mini hub, will operate in the lateral stand. These areas aim to deliver a modern premium experience for supporters, with excellent pitch views, exclusive services, and improved facilities. They are also part of FC Barcelona's strategy to increase stadium revenue as the new Camp Nou takes shape. However, the latest changes are not only about hospitality. A new section for the club's most passionate supporters is also being introduced. Located behind the south goal, this area will be called Goal 1957, a tribute to the year the original Camp Nou first opened. The goal is to gather the club's most vocal fans in one section, creating a louder and more intense match atmosphere. If everything goes as planned, this could become one of the most vibrant areas of the future Camp Nou. Of course, the return to Camp Nou has not been simple. FC Barcelona returned to the stadium on November 22, 2025, more than 2 years after renovation began. That first match was played with a limited capacity of about 45,000 spectators. The return came later than expected due to construction delays and the time needed to obtain occupancy permits. During that period, the team spent more than 2 seasons playing home matches at the Louis Company's Olympic Stadium while work continued. Now, step by step, the stadium is reopening to more supporters. With capacity increasing, the club opened a new registration and purchase process for members interested in seats in the North Goal area. Members who applied for the 2025 to 2026 season pass but were not selected received 24 hours of priority access. Prices currently range between €140 and €231, depending on seat location and remaining matches this season. This approach allows the club to bring fans back while construction continues. Even with these areas opening, the full transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is still ongoing. Major structural elements, including installation of the new roof and architectural features, will continue progressing in the coming years. As work advances, more parts of the stadium will gradually reopen. Current estimates suggest the renovation could be completed around 2027, marking the full return of one of football's most iconic stadiums. What do you think about the latest developments at Spotify Camp Nou? Are you excited to see fans returning to the stadium? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoy following the world's biggest stadium projects, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stadium updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update.